Are you ready to grow your money? Investing isn't just for the wealthy. In 2025, starting small can lead to big gains. Let's explore how. Investing with little money is possible and can be rewarding. You may think you need a lot of cash, but that's not true. With just a small amount, you can begin your journey today. First, understand your goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you saving for retirement, a house, or something else? Clear goals guide your investment choices. Next, open a brokerage account. Many platforms allow you to start with just a few dollars. Look for one's low fees and user-friendly apps. This step is key to your investing journey. Now consider a few investment types. Stocks, bonds, and ETFs are popular options. Each has different risk levels and returns. Start with ETFs for diversification, minimizing your risk. Let's talk about dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount regularly. For example, invest $50 every month. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Another option is robo-advisors. These platforms create portfolios based on your risk tolerance. They automate investing, making it easy for beginners. Just set it and forget it. Here's a real-life example. Maria started with $500 in 2025. She invested in an ETF and added $50 monthly. In 5 years, her investment grew significantly. Small beginnings can lead to rewarding outcomes. In conclusion, you can start investing with little money. Set clear goals, open an account, and consider different options. Use dollar cost averaging or robo-advisors to ease the process. Ready to start your investment journey? Open a brokerage account today. Remember, it's never too late to grow your wealth.